Getting the sticker on the Butler. Inspired designs and wraps. Here we go. I get closer. I found him. This is Trell. He owns Inspired Wraps. Tell him what you do.
I'm the owner of Inspired Designs and Wraps.
Inspired Designs and Wraps.
Here we make custom graphics, signs, banners. We do vehicle wraps, custom logos.
Real estate signs.
Real estate signs as well.
Let me show you this. Now this is something that most people ain't that familiar with. But look at this. Mike Tyson up there. For inquiries and reservations, visit our website and connect today. freedomadventurervs.com. Get ready to write the most extraordinary chapters of your life. Book your adventure now.